Hello, hello, fellow diamond painters. CP Crazy Lady here. It is 3 a.m. On the 30th, which is Saturday, May 2026. Uh, I was supposed to get this up. This is Paint Some Way. I was supposed to get this up on the 29th, like I promised, and I was going to, but I wanted to get a little bit more done on it before I put it up. So I'm close to finishing it anyway. So it'll be another 2 or 3 days and then I'll put up the finished product. But it is Paint Some Way. It's a 40 by 70. It was a PR package. And there are only 23 colors, but it looks so detailed. And of course, it's a Merry Christmas. It's not July, like Christmas in July, type thing. But I wanted to do a Christmas painting. So, but I wanted to get more done because I wanted to show you the kitty, the cat, and Santa's face because I think that's a good indication of how well together this painting is. So there's the kitty. Look at that pretty cat. This is Santa and cat. And there's Santa's face. So that is very, very detailed. The Christmas tree, the kitty, the lamp, the lanterns. It has Merry Christmas on the bottom. And then as you get to the top, if I can get there without dropping this, it also says Merry Christmas at the top. So all I have left to do on this is this section here and the little bit at the top. And this is a round and a 40 by 70. There are 23 colors and very, very detailed and sparkly. Glue is good. The drills are good. There are a few drills, as in any painting, that are either misshapen or a little smaller or a little larger than what the size is. But the drills are nice. You can see I didn't use my metal ruler. This is all by hand, putting them on one by one without using my metal ruler to space them. And they spaced perfectly. They're fine. I have to push some of these up because I've had it hanging over and I've, bent it a little bit. So, like I said, there's the cat, which is really, really cute. And then Santa's face. So his face is very, very well done. Very well done. So, like I said, I thought I'd put this up and show it to y'all. And I want to thank Paint Some Way. They're also getting ready. They shipped out me another PR package. I thank them also for contacting me and wanting to do it again. I'm thrilled about it. Particularly the painting that's coming. I've wanted to try it. So we'll see. I hope you have a pleasant weekend. I'm going to see if I can get Liam into the vet on Monday. I was going to take him today, but I was waiting on calls and answers from the other places. But in order to get anything done with him, I have to get a further diagnosis from another vet, which is going to cost me a pretty penny. Money I can't afford, but I guess I got to do it. It's either less groceries or less, whatever, but I've got to get a diagnosis. The swelling doesn't seem to be as big as it was. He is taking antibiotics and a pain medication, and they're liquid, thank goodness, and he is just taking it so well. I give it to him, and then afterwards I ask him if he wants a treat, and he smiles at me. He started that smiling stuff. We thought he was growling at people, showing his teeth. He started that back when he was smaller. Now he'll just walk up to you and lift his top lip up and just smile at you because he wants something. And it is adorable. And sorry, Paint Some Way, I'm talking about a pet. But thank you again, Paint Some Way. And I'm looking forward to the new one. As soon as this is finished, I will update the finished product. And like I said, hope you all have a pleasant weekend. Check out Paint Some Way, please. They're very accommodating, and the prices are reasonable. You're going to spend a fortune on your higher ends anyway, and you know, even for something as small as this, or if you don't like the material or whatever it is, it's a beautiful painting, and it's worth, ordering a few of this and something else and paying a little more shipping, and you have to wait a little bit longer, but it's worth the wait. They are very, very nice paintings. I've not had a bad one yet from Paint Some Way. So give them a try. Check them out at least once, and I'm sure you'll be pleased. So have a good one. Hugs to you all. This is DP Crazy Lady. I'm out.